step into the 2020 Honda CR-V. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, a built-in garage door transmitter, front dual-zone air conditioning, power moonroof, lane departure warning, and power seats. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.